Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 5 awesome iPhone hacks that I believe every iPhone user must know. These are actually super useful. Some of them are really cool and will make your device look totally different, and of course allow you to do much more with your device on daily basis. Now before we get into all that and I'll show you guys these cool new hacks that you can learn for your iPhone, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will really help the channel a lot. Now first of all, we're starting with the control center. Now with the updated control center, of course you can do a lot. You can add like different toggles here. You can add now of course toggles from third-party apps and make your control center actually useful, and of course design it the way you want it and make it look and make it be more helpful for you so you can do everything much faster. Now one thing you can do is that you can actually open any app that you want directly from the control center. So here I have an app. In this case I have the App Store app. I can go ahead and open it directly from there. So you can have there basically any app that you have installed on your device. That way you can just launch those apps from anywhere, from the lock screen, from within an app, wherever you have access to your control center. You can quickly launch your favorite apps. The way to do that, pretty simple. Head on to the control center, go to add a control here, and then on the search section, all you have to do here is just make sure you search for shortcuts. Now you will have actually two different shortcuts, two different toggles from the shortcuts app. You don't want to go with this, but you go with this right here that says open app. So once you tap there, it will show you this window. From here, just have the choose button, and this allows you to choose any app you want. Of course, it shows the list of the apps that you have on your device. Once you have done that, you can see right there now you will have the icon of that app, and this allows you to open that app quickly directly from your control center. Next up, we're moving to Safari, and we have something here really cool. Now Safari has a lot of hidden features that actually make it a really good browser, and I don't think there's any other browser that comes close to Safari when it comes to iOS. So you can see right here we're on Wikipedia, and what we can do here on this page, if I have an article I'm interested in but maybe I cannot read it, or I don't have the time to read it, or I just prefer listening to that text, all you have to do is just tap that button right there, and you can see it says here listen to page, and it will basically start reading the page for you, which is really awesome. Now you can tap back there and go to control, so you can move forward, backwards, play and pause right there, which is really awesome. Now another thing you can do is when you're on a website like this, you can just launch Siri and ask Siri to actually read the page for you. Read me this page. And just like that, as you can see, we have the controls right there. It shows even the title of the website. It will just start reading you the web page you're in, which is really cool. Now this works better of course with websites that do support the reader mode. That will be the best case scenario for Siri reading the page and also Safari reading the page for you. Now the next one will be something really cool. Did you know that you can actually have moving icons on the home screen of your device? You can see how cool these look. It's basically two circles and the icons that are moving, and they actually work. They're not just basically there. You can just open any of these apps directly from here. So if I want to go to any of these apps, I can go ahead and just tap on the icon, even though it's a bit hard of course because the apps are moving all the time, but you can just go ahead and, as you can see right here, open any of these apps directly from here, which is really awesome. Now the way to set this up on your device, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is just download an app that I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video. The app is called Quick. You will find the link there, and once you have actually installed the app, you have to find this widget on the app. So this is the app right here. This is what you will see when you open it. Just tap on add widget, and then you will have the small widgets right here. You will have the medium widgets here, and then you will have the large widgets. Now for this one, of course, we're going with a large. You tap on add widget and you'll find the widget. And most of these here will be these ones that will actually just move on the home screen, which are pretty cool. Now the one you're seeing on my home screen should be somewhere here. It's like two different circles with icons that work, and of course that you can actually also change on the app. So here we have this one. You can just go ahead and of course save it right here. You can choose to have the background cleared, even though you don't need to add the wallpaper for the background to be clear, because once you have this saved, you can just go ahead and set it up from the home screen. Now you can see right here, some of these widgets will be paid, but all you have to do is just watch a short ad and it will unlock the widget for you. Now when you come to the home screen and you add the widget from Quick, all you have to do is just tap on edit widget, tap here where it says select widget, and just find the one that we have just saved. And then make sure you also enable right here is transparent, and then you're good to go. You will have these icons moving on the home screen, which make your home screen look really cool. Next up, we're talking about the Passwords app on iOS. One of my favorite apps from Apple. It is actually super useful and very simple to use. Now what's really cool is that it has a search section where you can search quickly for your passwords, but anytime you need a password, you will have to go to the app, find the app, go to the search section and search for basically the passcode you're searching for. But there's another very easy way to do that. You can do that directly from your home screen. Go to shortcuts, tap the plus button, and then here search for passwords. And then you will find this section right here where it says searching passwords. You have it set up, then tap the share button right here and tap to add to home screen. And you can of course customize the icon here if you want to, and then from here you can just go ahead and quickly search on passwords. And last but not least, I will show you guys how to delete multiple contacts at once on your iOS device. Now iOS doesn't actually allow you to do that by basically having you have a button there that allows you to select the contacts and then delete them. You will basically have to do this manually. Now the way it works, the best thing I believe is just to place all the contacts that you want to delete on a list. Once you have done that and you have a list created with all the contacts that you want to delete, then all you have to do, because if you try to delete the list, it will just delete the list, not the contacts, but you will have to go into the list where you see your contacts like this, and then with two fingers tap on the first one and start sliding down. Once you have done that, you can see now it has highlighted those contacts. Now just on the highlighted part, press and hold, and it will show you this menu right here. From here you will be able to actually go ahead and delete all these contacts at once from your device. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 5 really cool iPhone hacks that I believe every iPhone user must know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you find it helpful. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and of course subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.